ก็สวัสดีทุกคนนะครับ Today I'm gonna get my wooden room painted, and colors of paint required are white and black. As you can see, my room is made of wood, so we need a wood paint for painting it. Before we start painting, let's gather all the necessary stuff. We need white and black wood paint, brushes, rollers, and other necessary stuff needed. First thing first, we need to clean the room thoroughly. Dust and debris on the wood surface can prevent the paints from adhering properly. Now that the room is clean, it's time to mix the primer with the paint. This step is crucial for helping the paints stick better to the wood. Here we go, guys, and now I'm gonna double paint on it to make it more clear. With the first round paints dry, we can start with the second round. I'll begin by painting the entire room white. It's important to let each paint dry for 1 hour before applying next round on top. So now I'm gonna put the black color on the line. And here is the result of my painting.